Cardi B pulled out all the stops to celebrate her daughter Culture's sixth birthday in extravagant fashion this past week, treating her to luxurious trip to Paris abroad, a private jet, and a stunning custom-designed gown. The Grammy Award-winning rapper shared glimpses of the festivities in an Instagram post on Thursday, showering praise on her beautiful, gentle, amazing daughter. In the photo, Kulture looked absolutely adorable in a magnificent white gown featuring a tulle skirt and dramatic ruffled train. Meanwhile, Cardi sported a vibrant pink oversized t-shirt dress paired with unique fierce-lined heeled boots and the Channel XXL travel bag in silver, priced at a stretching $12,000.